Are you looking for a natural and sustainable way to boost your health and well-being? Well, look no further because today I'm going to introduce you to a little powerhouse of nutritional benefits, the fennel seed. But before we dive into the benefits, let's take a moment to understand what fennel seeds actually are. Fennel seed, scientifically known as Feniculum vulgare, is a flavorful and aromatic spice derived from the fennel plant. Originating from the Middle East, it has a rich history in both traditional medicine and culinary practices. With its distinctive taste and potential health benefits, fennel seed is a versatile ingredient that adds depth and character to various dishes. One of the incredible benefits of fennel seed is its rich omega-3 fatty acid content. These healthy fats are known to support brain health, improve heart function, and reduce inflammation in the body. Fennel seeds also contain an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, all of which are vital for maintaining strong bones and supporting muscle function. Now let's talk about the amazing benefits of consuming fennel seeds water at night. First, fennel seeds are known to aid digestion. Fennel seeds contain an essential oil called anethole that has been scientifically proven to relax the muscles in our digestive tract. By doing so, these marvelous seeds help calm down any unwanted spasms and reduce gas, bloating, and that all-too-familiar discomfort. Fennel seeds are also rich in fiber, a vital nutrient for a healthy digestive system. The insoluble fiber in these tiny seeds adds bulk to our stools, making them easier to pass through our intestines. Fennel seeds also have diuretic properties. Diuretics are substances that promote urine production, enhancing the body's ability to eliminate excess water and salt. Fennel seeds contain natural compounds like volatile oils, flavonoids, and phytoestrogens, which contribute to their diuretic action. Fennel seeds are a rich source of potassium and fiber, which aids in regulating fluid balance in the body. Additionally, the seed's diuretic effects can help reduce bloating and alleviate conditions, such as edema and urinary tract infections. Additionally, consuming fennel seeds water at night can be a game changer for those struggling with sleep issues. You may be curious about how fennel seed can aid in improving your sleep? Well, it contains a unique compound called thymoquinone, which acts as a natural sedative. This compound works wonders to calm our minds, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of tranquility, which is essential elements for a good night's sleep. Numerous scientific studies have validated the sleep-enhancing properties of fennel seed. Researchers have discovered that fennel seed can increase the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. It also reduces levels of cortisol, the stress hormone that often keeps us awake. Now, you might be wondering how to make this incredible elixir. To make fennel seeds water, all you need to do is take a glass of water, add a tablespoon of fennel seeds, and let it steep overnight. By morning, your rejuvenating drink will be ready. What's great about this recipe is that you can make it your own. You can also add some honey or lemon juice for extra flavor, depending on your taste preferences. Remember, consistency is key when reaping the benefits of fennel seeds water at night. Incorporate it into your daily routine and watch the magic happen. So, whether you're looking to improve digestion, boost your overall well-being, or get a good night's sleep, give fennel seeds water a try. Embrace the power of nature and experience a healthier you. Thank you, and we will see you in our next video.